It is almost impossible to imagine quite so much rain in such a short time. 491 millimetres, just short of half a metre, fell in some areas around Valencia, according to the Spanish Weather Service. That's a year's worth of rain in just 8 hours. The weather system that caused the flooding is not unusual on the eastern side of the Iberian Peninsula at this time of year. Winds flowing over the still warm waters of the Mediterranean picked up lots of moisture, then mixed with a pool of cold air sitting high in the atmosphere over the Valencia region. This allowed huge storm clouds to develop with intense downpours. The low-pressure storm also ground to a halt, surrounded on all sides by high atmospheric pressure. Its path was blocked. The heaviest rain fell on just a smaller area and it was quickly overwhelmed. Now, climate change will make storms more severe. The atmosphere is currently just over a degree warmer than it was in pre-industrial times, holding around 7% more moisture. But we are currently on track for more than 3 degrees of warming by the end of the century.
We can see that we're not ready for the storms that we're receiving now in our cities. They are not built to withstand this amount of water, this amount of destruction, this amount of power, and it's going to be worse in the future. This is an urgent call to adapt our cities where we can.
Spain has endured climate extremes in recent years, with a severe drought in the northeast forcing authorities to ration tap water. The dry heat has also hard-baked the soil surface, so water runs off rather than being absorbed. And all that rain had nowhere to go.